Hi friend, let's introduce myself. My name is Pintariona Augustine with last student number 049. I will present a social issue in Indonesia entitled Sexual Violence Against 13 Santriwati and the Death Penalty for Perpetrators in Bandung. Today, I would like to invite you all to reflect on a case that tore our humanity, namely the case of sexual violence against 13 female students in Bandung. This is not just news, it is a deep one for the victims, their families, and our nation. The perpetrator, a teacher and leader of the boarding school, Heri Wirawan, took away the future of dozens of minors that they were supposed to protect. Terrifying modus and impact, the modus operandi is very cunning. Heri Wirawan took advantage of his position, parent trust, and the situation of the boarding school to carry out his desperate action. He promised free education, even up to college, to attract parents to send their children through. However, behind the sweet promise, there was a rotten intention to rape and sodomize his female student repeatedly. The impact of this violence is horrific. The victims suffered severe physical and psychological trauma. Some of them even became pregnant and gave birth to children as a result of the perpetrators' CNN action. Imagine at a very young age, they have to bear the heavy burden of this crime. Their future is threatened. Their dreams are shattered and their truth is shattered. Death sentence adjusted. After going through a long legal process, the Supreme Court finally rejects Heri Wirawan's cassation and upheld the Bandung High Court's appellate verdict, which was the death penalty. This verdict has certainly created pros and cons in the community. For many, the death penalty is a form of justice for the perpetrators of this extraordinary crime. Sexual crimes against children are serious crimes that damage the next generation of the nation. By imposing the death penalty, it is hoped that there will be a strong deterrent effect for other perpetrators, as well as a firm message that the state will not tolerate this kind of crime. This decision is also a form of the state's fidelity toward victims and effort to restore justice. However, on the other hand, there are also parties who argue that the death penalty is not the main solution. There are concrete that the death penalty does not fully eliminate sexual violence, and it is more important to prevent, educate, and rehabilitate victims. However, in Heri Wirawan's case, the death penalty is the state's response to a crime that is very serious, structural, and has a massive impact. The importance of child protection and prevention. This case is a painful reminder for all us of the importance of child protection and prevention of sexual violence. The government must strengthen regulation and supervision, Especially in educational institutions, the community must be more sensitive and brave enough to report if they see or hear about sexual violence. Thank you.